Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial. All kind of activity in a PDF. Either you would like to edit some sentence in a PDF or you would like to erase some sentence, you would like to wipe out, or you would like to convert from PDF format to Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Of course, you can. Simultaneously, of course, if you would like to highlight, this can be also possible. How it's easy? Let's learn step by step. So see guys, I have taken one PDF format and I have highlighted some of the points. So of course you can have. How do you do it? So see, I have taken one PDF format on my desktop. I will open. So for it guys, you need to SwifDoo tool. It's a totally free. So of course you can have directly by visiting below the description box and there is a download links. So see guys, suppose this one I would like to highlight this line. So how do you do it? Simply just by your left clicks on your mouse, click on here and select and go for highlight. So see guys, this one of course I can highlight. Simultaneously, if we would like to underline, of course that can be also possible. So for example, this one I would like to underline. So how do you do it? Simply here, it's already highlighted. Let's see, underline this one. So now see, I will go for by clicking here this one. So now it's underlined. Simultaneously, if you would like to erase this one, so how would I do it? Simply I will here, see guys, I will select these ones and I will go for here by clicking edit. So now see guys, here just I will click on here on this edit and I will click this one, whiteout. Fine. Now I will this one erase. So how would I do it? Let's see. Now see guys, it's gone. Of course it's a highlighted by yellow color. Suppose this one I would like to, so of course this can be possible. Now see guys, this one's simply this one I would like to wipe out. Of course that can be possible. Now see guys, here this one if you would like to wipe out, of course. Now so you can white out also by using this tool. Simultaneously, if we would like to edit some word, for example forex, I would like to edit. So just let me do. Now I will click on edit options. Yes, once again I will click on edit and now this one I will go by word. So edit PDF. So now see, it's saying that unsaved this one. So let me this one's to just, if I would like to edit, it's saying that it has unsaved whiteout areas. Fine. Firstly I will save it. Yes. Now I will go. No. Now I will have this ones and I would like to edit. So before saving this one, whiteout areas. Firstly, we need to save it. It's the same. Show. Let me close it. Once again, I will open it. And now, once again, I would like to just add some. So, where it is, edit, fine. Now, still we don't have options here. Might be, let me see here. Edit, yeah, fine. Now see guys, I will here. Now see guys, of course we can edit it. Suppose I would like to, now see guys, it has edited. Similarly, I would like to have here this one. So now I would like to cut this one. So now I have cut it. Similarly, here I would like to edit this one for just to see. I will, of course. Now see, it's how it's easy to edit anything. Now see guys here, of course we can similarly, if you would like to edit another one, let's see this one. So now see guys here, of course we can, how it's easy. So you can edit any word and sentence in a PDF format simultaneously. If you would like to convert, just click on a convert, and how it's easy. If you would like to have PDF to Word, click on this, PDF to Excel, click on, PDF to PPT, of course click on this, PDF to text, of course you can. If you would like to PDF to, of course, CAD, PDF to HTML, so image, PDF to Office to PDF, or CAD to PDFs. According to your own desire and customization, you can convert it also. It's totally free, of course. So all kind of the activity on a PDF format you can have by very easily using this tool, and it's totally free. So you can have below the description box by one click. There is a download link already given. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this software, of course, or how to operate, then of course you can bluntly raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and knowledgeable, then please ponder, like, subscribe, and share this content. Might be useful for someone who is highly inclined to have any kind of the activity in a PDF. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.